In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the button color in your online store theme editor. To get started, make sure you're already inside your store dashboard in your Chrome browser. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and open Online Store, then select Themes. This is the area where you manage the visual design of your storefront, and it's where you can access the customization tools for your current theme. Once you're on the Themes page, find the green Customize button and click it. This will open the theme editor, which is the main workspace used to update the appearance of your store without needing to edit code. Depending on your theme and internet speed, it may take a moment to load, so just give it a few seconds if needed. After the editor opens, focus on the left side vertical navigation panel. In that panel, click the Theme Settings gear icon. This section controls the global styling options for your theme, meaning the changes you make here often apply across multiple pages of your website rather than just one specific section. Inside Theme Settings, select the Color Settings block. This is where you can manage the color scheme used throughout your store, including text, backgrounds, and buttons. Look for the Buttons Background Color Picker card. When you find it, click into that color setting and choose the new background color you want for your buttons. As you make the adjustment, it's a good idea to glance at the live preview so you can see how the updated color looks in real time. This helps you make sure the button color fits well with the rest of your branding and remains easy for customers to notice and click. Try to choose a color that stands out clearly while still matching the overall style of your store. Once you're happy with the new button background color, click Save. This is the final step that applies your change to the theme settings. And that's it. You've successfully updated the button background color in your online store theme. If you're continuing to refine your store design, this same theme settings area is also useful for making other visual updates so your storefront feels consistent and professional.